the nicest view I ever seen and witnessed. Why? Not just because of the water in the bluish sky, but because these people underwater is my home, my love, my strength. It's my family. The view can't be defined of what is it, but it could be defined on what's in it. The view of the person, the people who gives you strength, strong to wake up, go to work after school, even it's so exhausting day, but yet we're remembering this moment when I'm in a beach together with my family will be the sweetest moment in my entire life. I know this is not for forever, but yet this video will be remind me that once and for all, me and my family, we are complete here in beach. That's all. Love you all.